Need computer training for a group or office? Contact us today to get a free demo of our training at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing.
You can set your preferences for finance charges that you assess in customer statements through the Preferences window in QuickBooks. You can access this window by selecting Edit from the menu bar and then choosing the Preferences command. That will then open the Preferences window where you can set the default behaviors of your currently opened company file. In the scroll box to the left of the Preferences window, click the Finance Charge icon and then click the Company Preferences tab to the right. Here you can set your finance charge information for your billing statements if you charge finance charges. Note that it is not required that you assess finance charges, and you should consult the laws for your district regarding assessment of finance charges before assessing them to customers. In this tab, you can enter the annual interest rate to charge as a percentage into the annual interest rate percent field. You can then enter a minimum finance charge to apply in the minimum finance charge box. Next, enter the number of days that you want to use as the grace period into the grace period in days box. Then use the Finance Charge Account drop-down to select which account is used to track income made from finance charges. If needed, you can check the Assess Finance Charges on Overdue Finance Charges checkbox to enable that feature when calculating finance charge amounts. Below that, you can then select either the Due Date or Invoice Build Date option button to set what date should be used when calculating charges. Also, if you want the finance charge invoices that are created to be marked as to be printed by default, then check the Mark Finance Charge Invoices to be printed checkbox. That way, you can print them as a batch after assessing finance charges if needed. Once you've set your finance charge defaults, click the OK button to apply them.
Like what you see? Get a free demo of our training for groups of 5 or more at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing.